lower. Right there. Right there. There you go. You got it.
Kawhi John here at the Kowiachobee Animal Preserve with Zoe and Joey, our lemurs, ringtail lemurs. Special needs groups are very important to us because they don't have as many opportunities. A lot of people, we get to do a lot of interaction, get closer to a lot of the animals. Some of the animals we let them feed. And of course, we're always teaching about things that most people don't teach about. So education is always the focal point of Kowiachobee. It's not about the exhibit, it's about learning. So this is called an exoskeleton because they have no bones inside. There's no rib cage or vertebrae, but they do have a spine that's embedded in their shell. And the bones.
My name's Kerry Birchall. I am the director of the children's program at the Lighthouse of Collier. During our first visit to the preserve, we came out with our younger students, 6 to 13 years of age. And our second trip, we came out with our older students, age 13 to 21. Because the campers that we brought here today are either low vision or significantly visually impaired, this experience was made so much more personalized for them. They got so much more out of it because the caregivers here at the preserve took the time to introduce them slowly to each of the animals. I mean, they got to pet a skunk and a large alligator. They got to feed the mini horses. You know, all of the animals that they otherwise living in the city would probably never even encounter in their lifetime. So this was just an incredible experience for them. And the fact that the staff here made it such a hands-on event, that they understood that the kids that we work with need to touch things and need to get close to things to be able to really interact with it. I can't say enough good things about them.
Because birds' temperature is higher than people, because our temperature is 98.6.
That's their feathers.
But birds' temperature is about 102 degrees, so they've got a constant fever. So we're very, very happy to work with groups like Lighthouse, who's part of the Collier County school system. Collier County has a lot of special programs for the special need. We also do a lot of work with nursing homes and everything like that. So I've had autistic children here recently, a lot of support groups for children from other countries that have language barriers. And of course, we support all the normal groups like Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, Boys and Girls Clubs and things like that.
I can't recommend enough that if you have a group of children that you want to be able to experience conservation and education hand in hand right here in Southwest Florida, right in our own backyard, frankly, you got to come out here and you got to experience it for yourself. You will not be disappointed.
See how he has one hoof? You know how they put a horseshoe on a horse?
Yeah.
That's the same kind of toe that these guys have, those same kind of hoofs, so the zebra and the donkey. You know, when you support Kowiachobee, you're supporting this kind of thing. You're supporting the community because that's where we're working. We're working in the community to try and promote conservation, habitat, protection, recycling, sustainability, and all of these things that are important in today's world. So remember us, okay? And remember Zoe and Joey, and if you want to come visit us, come visit us. All the information's in our social media. So thank you.
Kowiachobee Animal Preserve needs your help, whether it's through volunteering, donations, or simply sharing this video. Your gift of time, talent, or treasure is greatly appreciated. Learn more about this wonderful organization, its people, its animals, and how you can help by visiting kowiachobee.org.